गोरी जानी चतुराई उसी घड़ी से उसी डगरिया उसी घड़ी से उसी डगरिया हेरा करी करत सावरिया सावरिया राधा 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 बोले बांसुरिया राधा 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 बोले बांसुरिया मोह पर जगुराई मोह पर जगुराई राधा 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 बोले बांसुरिया मोह पर जगुराई शाम से नैना मिलाई सहेली गोरी जानी चतुराई शाम के नैना मिलाई सहेली गोरी जानी चतुराई श्याम से मोर मन में सखी श्याम से मोर मन में अपनी अटारी बैठ सुनू मैं बंस की मीठी तान सखी बंस की मीठी तान चांद सूरज को नैन बना के शाम छवि सतीवन हारू नाही जिरा भर कारे बंसी भर नाही जिरा भर तन मन प्राण पियासे सखी तन मन प्राण पियासे
His Majesty the King.
Chandra! Your Majesty, what are you doing here? Your Majesty, stop saying Your Majesty. Why haven't you gone to receive His Holiness Sri Kashishwa? Answer me. Don't interrupt. Don't you know His Holiness is coming here with the sacred dust? Suppose he meets with some mishap. I have come. There is no need for Your Majesty to worry. Your Holiness, you? On my way from the Shyamsundar temple to this city, I met these holy hymn singers and came with them here. This has indeed been a thrice blessed day for me. Tonight I have seen the dance of Radha and Krishna, as it might have been performed in the kingdom of the gods, as it might have embezzled the jaded eyes of that immortal lover of dance and music, celestial Indra. I have never seen such devotion before, my child. It seemed as if Radha herself had come down on earth and danced for us. I bless you with the most valuable treasure of a true Vaishnava. The sacred dust from the feet of our Lord. Your Holiness, I beseech you, stop! Sit down, sir. She is the Raj Nartaki.